Boosting immunity naturally, fighting colds, coughs, and infections. Here are some tips to help boost your immunity and be stronger from inside. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Sleep is crucial for a healthy immune system and more things for personal and professional growth. So, make it a priority. Reduce stress. Chronic stress weakens the immune system. Try daily exercise, meditation, yoga, or just taking time to relax and do things you enjoy. Eat a healthy diet. Emphasize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, nuts and seeds. Get a variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids, especially water. Dehydration can impact immune function. Take a probiotic supplement. Probiotics support gut health and in turn support immunity. Look for brands with 3 to 10 billion CFUs. Get moderate daily exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes per day. This helps circulation and immune cell function. Wash hands regularly. Especially after being out in public, washing hands prevents spread of germs. Consider an immune-boosting supplement. Vitamin C, zinc, and elderberry can offer extra immune support. Check with your doctor first. Get adequate vitamin D. Many are low in D, which reduces immunity. Take a supplement or get 15 minutes of sunlight daily. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Both undermine the immune system and make you prone to infections. The key is supporting overall health through good lifestyle and nutrition habits. A strong immune system is resilient and can fight off most common illnesses. Let me know if you need any other specific tips.